Looking for a reliable, stylish, and fuel-efficient bike for 2026? The new Honda CB Unicorn 160 might surprise you. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to Bike Brand Pro. Today, we are talking about one of India's most trusted commuter bikes, the new 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160. This bike is known for comfort, smooth performance, and long-term reliability. Let's see what's new in the 2026 model. Design and looks. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 comes with a clean and mature design. Honda has updated the fuel tank graphics, sharper body panels, and premium paint colors. The bike still keeps its classic commuter look, but now feels more modern and refined. It also features a sleek LED headlamp, stylish alloy wheels, and a comfortable single-piece seat. Engine and performance. The new Unicorn 160 is powered by a 160 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This engine is expected to produce around 13 brake horsepower of power with smooth torque delivery. Honda's engine is famous for low vibration and silent performance, making it perfect for daily use. It comes with a 5-speed gearbox that offers easy and relaxed riding in city traffic. Mileage and ride comfort. Mileage is one of the strongest points of the Unicorn. The 2026 model is expected to deliver around 50 to 55 kilometers per liter, depending on riding conditions. With a soft suspension setup, wide seat, and upright riding position, this bike is ideal for long daily rides and office commuting. Features and safety. The new Honda CB Unicorn 160 includes digital analog instrument cluster, single-channel ABS, front disc brake, tubeless tires, side stand engine cutoff. These features make the bike safe, reliable, and beginner-friendly. Price and launch expectation. The expected price of the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 could be around 1.15 Indian rupees to 1.20 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Honda may launch this bike in mid to late 2026. Final verdict. If you want a no-nonsense commuter bike with strong reliability, great mileage, and comfort, the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 is solid choice. It may not be a sporty bike, but for daily use, it's one of the best in its segment. Call to action. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Bike Brand Pro for more upcoming bike updates. Comment below and tell us, would you buy the new Unicorn 160 in 2026?